Alright, so you have a Cadillac 2020 XT4. Pressing the push to start. I'm not gonna push it yet, but and you have your key fob. Pressing the brake. See? And hold it, and then it's not turning on. Place key in transmitter pocket to start your vehicle. So the transmitter pocket is cup holder. I don't know why they just didn't say cup holder. Okay, now let me start. Brake. Give it a couple shots. It's gonna do this with yours. And if that doesn't work, you just have to basically press this little check mark, more info. There you go. Cool. Not this one. Let me make this blurry. Press this button. Not this one. I thought it was gonna work, but anyways, we're there now. Cup holder. Sorry for the blurriness. Cup holder should work now. Oh, okay, maybe that took so long. Well, I'm glad it's happening like this because it's not always gonna be perfect. I did already place it. Maybe I need to remove it again. But we're troubleshooting it right now. Alright. Keep trying. We place it in the correct thing. Maybe we need to unlock the car. I'm glad this is happening right now because every situation is not going to be perfect. Holding the brake. Okay. Let me troubleshoot it together. Start vehicle with view. Okay. Okay, I'll press that again. Okay. Maybe I need to dismiss it. Click OK. Okay. I'm gonna unlock it just to see if that helps. I'm holding on the brake right now. And it turned on. So that's the trick. Just keep trying. It works. The Key Fob just has a low battery.